Hi guys, welcome back to SSBeauty's YouTube channel. I am Mulaikah.
And I'm Zoya.
And today we'll be discussing something super exciting, especially if you're in your 20s. We are going to be talking about skincare habits and routines that you need to form in your 20s for long term if you want to achieve healthy, glowing and plump skin.
Yeah, and I'm really excited to learn about what to do and what not to do when it comes to skincare and long-term skin investments.
Great, so let's start. So the first point is consistency. Making your skincare a habit every single day is very important, whether it's AM or PM. You have to keep it consistent, even if it's a simple skincare routine.
Yeah, I totally agree. I've just started investing in my skincare journey and I've already seen so many changes by just keeping it consistent.
As you said, you just started your skincare journey. So what is your routine like?
I follow a very basic CTM routine, just a cleanser, toner, moisturizer. That's all, nothing extra.
Okay, that's great. For people who don't know what CTM is, it's basically cleanser, toner and moisturizer. We use a cleanser to remove all the impurities and dirt from our face. The toner helps to balance out the pH levels of our skin, and the moisturizers to hydrate our skin. So do you want to share your CTM routine with us?
Sure, okay. So I have a normal skin. For that, I first start off with the COSRX gel cleanser. I feel like it's really mild and does the job really well. Next, again, I use a really mild toner, which is the Dot & Key Cica toner. Again, does the job and is super mild. And last, to finish it off, my personal favorite, I use the Klairs Midnight Blue Cream.
That's nice. That's a very nice, simple routine.
Yeah.
Proud of you.
Would you like to share yours?
Yes, of course. So earlier, like maybe in my early 20s, I wouldn't pay much attention to ingredients, but as I turned 25, I became more cautious of ingredients that I put on my skin. So I use the Minimalist cleanser, which is free of fragrance, parabens and other harmful ingredients. So this is super gentle and great for dry skin, which is mine. And the next one I use is the Clarins toner, which is again great for hydration. This is the Clarins Hydrating Toning Lotion. It has got aloe vera and saffron flower extracts, which is so good. And to end it, of course, I need a moisturizer, which I use the Shiseido Essential Energy Hydrating Cream, which locks in all the moisture on my skin, making it plump and all like glowy.
So the next important and non-negotiable step is sunscreen. So I think even I know how important sunscreen is. It protects our skin from so much UV damage and premature aging. What are your opinions on this?
I completely agree with you. Sunscreen has so many benefits and reapplication is very important. It helps with reducing dark spot, pigmentation and other skin concerns. And it's essential to use sunscreen not only when you're outdoors but also on a cloudy day and when you're indoors.
I totally agree, but I feel like that's the one thing I usually miss out on. Like if I'm just staying at home or maybe in office or something, I always forget to put on sunscreen and I feel like that's really bad. So the one thing that I think I struggle with the most is reapplying sunscreen, because once I'm out of the house, I have my makeup on and everything, then it's really problematic to redo it.
Right, so there are so many types of sunscreens in the market right now. There is powder sunscreen, stick sunscreen and spray sunscreen, which makes the reapplication of sunscreens so easy. So depending on your skin type, you can pick one. So there is no excuses now to skip sunscreen. So the next step is double cleansing. This technique is relatively new, but a game changer. Double cleansing is crucial, especially if you have makeup on or any sunscreen on.
Yeah, I too have recently started using this cleansing balm by Clinique. It's the Take the Day Off cleansing balm, and I have noticed such a difference after using it. It removes all my waterproof mascara and makeup so easily. I love it.
That's great. So since I have dry skin, I love using the Bobbi Brown cleansing oil. I take a little bit on my fingers and I like to massage my skin with it, and I follow it up with my Minimalist cleanser.
So Mulaikah, I've noticed that with people my age, they quickly jump on trends like trying out new products or new ingredients like glycolic acid as soon as they become famous on social media. So what are your thoughts on that, and do you also try these exciting products?
I do try new products that are in the market, but I also feel it's important to look at the concentration levels of these active ingredients when you're incorporating them in your skincare routine and having a skincare goal, like what you want to achieve. So for me, I have dry skin and my goal is to have plump and glowy skin. So what I use is this nail mucin from COSRX at night. So my hack is on damp skin, I basically pat it on instead of rubbing it, and I wake up with really like plump and hydrated skin.
Okay, so this is something I'm very curious about as I'm now nearing my 20s. I'm really eager to learn about when and how to incorporate anti-aging products into my routine.
Okay, it's great that you're thinking ahead, but as you progress into your 20s, you can gradually start introducing anti-aging products in your skincare routine slowly. So there are many ingredients in the market that you can try as you want to start using anti-aging products. One very well known is the retinol. But always keep in mind the percentage that you use. The lower the percentage, then you can probably build it slowly. And the other one is vitamin C. It's also great for anti-aging purpose, and the other one is peptides. So the one I personally use at times is the Minimalist multi-peptides. It's 10%, and it's suitable for all skin types as well, and you can start using it in your early 20s. So other products that you can use, which is basically a mix of all active ingredients, like a cocktail of it, which are universally loved and tried and tested, is the Clarins Double Serum, the Estee Lauder ANR, which is a cult favorite of everyone. They all are tried, tested and safe to use even if you're in your early 20s.
Okay, so thanks Mulaikah for sharing your thoughts. I feel like consistency and simplicity really pays off when it comes to skincare, and I will definitely incorporate all the things we learned today in my day-to-day life.
Absolutely, Zoya. I think it's important to invest in your skin now for healthier, radiant skin later. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.
And do share your skincare routine in the comments down below and let us know what you want to see next.